In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to Slack. We'll walk through connecting your Outlook calendar inside Slack and then setting up the Slack for Outlook add-in so you can share emails directly to channels or teammates. Start by opening Slack and signing into your workspace. In the left sidebar, find Apps. Right-click Apps to manage, then click Browse Apps. In the search bar, type Outlook Calendar, select it, and choose Add to Slack. This installs the official Outlook Calendar app so your schedule, meeting reminders, and invite responses can live where your conversations already happen. If you don't see the app, your workspace may restrict installs, so you might need an admin to allow it. After it's added, look for Outlook Calendar under Apps in the sidebar and open it. Click Connect an account. A Microsoft sign-in window will appear. Sign in with your Microsoft account that holds your calendar and approve the permissions. This lets Slack read your calendar and deliver reminders to you. When the connection is successful, you'll see confirmation in the app home. If you ever change Microsoft accounts, you can return here to disconnect and reconnect without reinstalling the app. Next, turn on the Slack for Outlook add-in so you can send emails into Slack. You can get it from Microsoft App Source by searching for Slack for Outlook and clicking Get It Now, or you can install it directly from Outlook using the Get Add-ins or Apps option in the toolbar. Once installed, you'll see a Slack button on your email toolbar. To connect it, open any email in Outlook. Click the Slack icon. If you're using Outlook on the web and don't immediately see the icon, click the three dots to open more actions, then choose Slack. Follow the prompts to sign in and authorize your Slack workspace. This creates a secure link between Outlook and Slack. With the add-in connected, open an email you want to share and click the Slack icon again. Choose where it should go, pick a channel for team visibility, or select a person for a direct message. Add a short note to provide context if you like, then send. Outlook will confirm it was posted, and in Slack you'll see the email content neatly packaged with a link back to the original message, so your teammates can read the details and follow up in the right place. And that's it. Thanks for watching.